Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best camping cots you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Coleman Camping Cot Air Mattress. This Coleman airbed with side table is one of the most efficient camping cots on the market. It supports up to 300 pounds and can accommodate most people up to 6 feet tall. A renowned manufacturer of outdoor gear, Coleman's twin folding cot with an air mattress is an excellent choice for both camping and use at home. For guests with dimensions of 74 x 40 x 23, 5. You have more than enough space for both sleeping alone or sharing with one more person. The weight capacity is 300 pounds, and this is mostly thanks to high-quality steel legs. It's very easy to inflate and deflate. It features an airtight system with a double lock valve, which makes sure the mattress won't leak air and deflate during the night. The battery-operated pump allows you to set it up in just minutes. The air mattress has a sewn-in cotton cover on top, which prevents it from damage and dirt. You can replace the mattress if you need to or remove it if you don't want to use it. The camp cot itself is completely foldable, and it comes in a bag with a shoulder strap for easier carrying. As for accessories, it has side tables on both sides, which is incredibly useful for storing your water bottle, phone, book, or just about anything else. While it seems thin, it feels pretty comfortable thanks to the spring tensioned fabric base. The spring coil suspension system on this tent cot raises comfort to an even higher level, so you can get superior rest. Of course, you can easily add another pad on top of the included topper if you feel you need improvement. Number 2. TETON Sports Outfitter XXL Camping Cot. If you are looking for a large load capacity, then this TETON Sports Cot delivers and then some. The Outfitter XXL is the largest dimension single cot on our list, and is wide enough to be a trim double cot, and has the biggest weight capacity. If you need a lot of sleeping space, then the 7 feet 1 inch long and 3 feet 5 inches offered by the Outfitter XXL should give ample room for campers with a larger build. Considering its width, it could also be used as a narrow double-wide cot, and with its sturdy steel legs and aluminum frame, it has an incredible weight capacity of up to 600 lbs. While this portable cot does disassemble into a reasonably sized 42 x 12 x 7 inches storage bag with shoulder strap, it does weigh a heavy 26 lbs. Assembly is not the most straightforward and requires a little practice. The Outfitter XXL is a very sturdy folding cot with an aluminum frame. 6x shaped legs are made from reinforced steel, and they offer stability and support on uneven ground. They also have rubber tips to help protect the ground sheet in your camping tent. The sleeping surface is made from Oxford fabric, which is very durable, breathable, and sits tightly on the bed. Oxford fabric gives great support to your body while sleeping. This folding cot is compatible with other Outfitter products, particularly with the Outfitter XXL Camp Pad, which is a great addition for a softer sleeping surface. This is an excellent choice for camping, but be careful about the space it takes up when unfolded. It's very large, so make sure you can fit it inside your tent before purchase. Number 3. Coleman Packaway Camping Cot. Proof that the best camping cots don't need to cost an arm and a leg can be found with the Packaway Coleman Camping Cot. The Packaway doesn't steal the show in any one category, but is a cheap option that still performs well across the board. This Coleman Packaway has a spacious 80 x 32 sleeping area and can accommodate campers up to 6 feet 6 inches and weighing 300 lbs. While not as large as the Outfitter XXL or as comfortable as the Kingdom, the Packaway gets the basics right at a much lower price. While it is built with a strong steel frame, one annoying issue is the inability to lock the frame once it's unfolded. This can be a source of irritation if you need to move the cot slightly and it decides to half collapse on you. In addition to providing a comfortable, secure place for campers up to 6 feet 6 inches tall and weighing as much as 300 pounds, the Packaway Camping Cot from Coleman also comes with a pop-up side table complete with a removable cup holder. The extra-wide 31-inch design allows for more sleeping room, and the strong steel frame is both durable and reliable. Stable. The whole package folds up and can be stored in the included bag for easy transport with 2 wide handles that make hauling the 20-pound cot fairly manageable. Number 4. TETON Sports Adventurer Camp Cot. TETON Adventurer Cot is very durable, but keeping bad backs in mind, you should not use it without any good camping pad or mattress, and so for this, it can pair with TETON's Adventurer Camp Pad. You can use your creative mind to use your previous pad with this. I recommend you look for a pivot arm cot for quick and easy setup. It is 75x25x17 in dimensions when using, and it turns to 38x8x4 in dimensions when you pack this inside its 660D canvas carry bag, which comes with cot on. Purchase weight. Man, you're telling too many specs. Just tell me its weight, how much weight it can handle, and is it good for bad backs or not? Okay. It's 20 pounds and can handle up to 400 pounds. It is only good and comfortable for your bad back if you're using a good sleeping pad beneath your back. It's one of the best double camping cots since it requires no tools for assembly and is lightweight, 26 pounds. It has a sturdy steel frame that ensures you enjoy your sleep without the cot breaking down on you. As a matter of fact, not so many cots in the market now are this big. You would be forgiven for thinking that this portable cot is a combination of two cots neatly joined to make a single cot. Since size is nothing without sturdiness, this cot is not only about its massive 85 by 40 sleeping surface, but also about its unbeatable 600 pounds weight capacity. All these are conferred by the cot's sturdy aluminum frame, patented steel leg design, and the poly canvas top. Number 5. Byer of Maine Easy Cot, Extra Large. The Byer of Maine Easy Cot got its name from being very user-friendly, as you can put it up in seconds without using any tools or technique. It simply unfolds in one move and you're good to go. The dimensions are 78x31x18, which is slightly larger than average and truly a good fit. Weight capacity is great, holding up to 330 pounds without any trouble. The legs are X-style with reinforcements and made from steel to ensure durability. Byer of Maine used 600D polyester as a sleeping surface. It also has 5 panels, which prevent wear, tears, and fabric stretching when folded. It fits easily in your car. A carry bag comes with it too, and it weighs 21.6 pounds total. Because it's higher than average, it's much easier to get up and out of it in the morning. Also, it makes very little noise when you're moving at night. The legs are already attached when you unfold them, so you don't have much work to do. This is an excellent solution for camping or as a guest bed at home. This portable folding cot has stood the test of time. Again, it is less expensive and comes with other enticing features designed for men and women who hate intricate features. We hate that too. The Easy Cot has found a soft spot in the hearts of many campers, hikers, and other outdoor-savvy individuals. Basically, ladies and gentlemen who are not so good with mechanical work or tools should consider this a perfect choice. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.